What is going on, guys? But an Alchemist here, helping you make as much money as possible with technical analysis and also curating the day's news. Obviously, you're seeing the charts right now. Bitcoin looks like it's dumping. I set a stop loss for 33,150 or so, and I got out of one of my trades. Of course, my hold bags, I'm riding it out no matter what happens. But it seems like we're still, possibly from my technical analysis, it looked like we have support down at like 18,000, 20,000. I could be wrong. I've only been doing technical analysis for a couple of months, been in the crypto space for about a year. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I'm not here to sell you anything, I'm just here to share and give you my opinions, not financial advice. Do your own diligence. But to get an honest opinion of what I'm seeing, look, obviously the news is beating down Bitcoin. The latest that we've heard is Trump calling crypto, well, Bitcoin in particular, a scam. And I can understand why he would say that, because he's so um, invested in the dollar. And as a president, I just would find it very unorthodox for him to be open-minded like that, when all his life that's what he's been dealing with, and he's got a lot of it on his mind anyway. But he's completely wrong. And it's hilarious because he has that to say about Bitcoin, yet the dollar, which is very much so a scam, and it's not an opinion, this is a fact if you do your homework. He has nothing to say about that. But, it is what it is. He has to do what he has to do and say what he has to say. Um, One thing that I would say is, if you're just getting into the crypto space, maybe put a little bit of money. Something that you would be able to sleep at night with if you would lose it all. Just so you have some skin in the game, and then you could begin to observe the market. If you want to take the extra step of opening up a TradingView account, which you could do for free, or you could also pay and get more alert options, unlimited alerts like I do. But let's take it a step at a time. You would even need to understand candles and how to read candle charts to even know what you're looking at. So that would be more than above and beyond what I would expect from somebody just getting into the crypto space without having some sort of background in finance, legacy finance, stock markets beforehand. It is very interesting that we are at these levels right now with the bullish news of El Salvador being open to, and it seems like they're already implementing the Bitcoin to be part of their tender, legal tender, and it looks like Paraguay is following suit. So, how you know that we are in a bear market is if this news develops. People begin to use Bitcoin as legal tender in El Salvador and maybe other countries, and the price still goes down. We have to admit we are in a bear market. Now, the good thing about that is it would be an opportunity for you to begin to be the lucky ones, stacking up your Bitcoin, your sats, so that when the bull market soars, everybody is looking at you like you're the genius. But this is what you have to endure in order to be the genius a couple of years from now, if in fact we are in a bear market. Because if we see a bounce and it just starts to take off, then it is what it is, especially with all this good news from El Salvador. But we have fear, uncertainty, disinformation, aka FUD, at the moment, with so many people bashing Bitcoin. And you have to do the opposite of what these financial institutions tell you, such as JP Morgan, because you know what they're doing? They're buying. They're telling you it's garbage so that they could buy and get a good price. And then they'll change their song and dance once everything is going up, once they're already positioned. Because what the masses do is they chase. They chase things when they're good, right? The overnight millionaire. That's what the masses like. That's the story that they like, but they don't see all the work that it took to get to become an overnight whatever. Solid projects, just to mention Cardano, Polkadot, Theta, T-Fuel, Zilliqa, VeChain, Kusama. And I'm sure, I'm missing some, but, you could start there if you're just getting into this space. Look into what it is. Ethereum, of course. I was listening to a Lex Friedman interview yesterday with Vitalik Buterin. Very interesting. Very interesting. I suggest you check it out. It's pretty long, but you could, listen to it when you're on your way to work or whatever, doing something else. And I just want to drop this here. I've been busy. I've been tired. I've been just trying to figure it out on my own. What's the next step to do? How should I approach this? Because clearly, the market is like, you can't call it. And it's not like I could lock myself in a room in my office and just completely concentrate on this because of my living situation. And I have a 2-year-old, so it's demanding on my attention. I have to kind of have it spread out, and it's very difficult. But I'm doing what I can. And so, I haven't really felt like dropping another video just because I'm trying to use as much time to figure out what the moves are and pay attention to my trades, alerts and all that. But I wanted to get in here because I don't want more time to pass without me making some kind of video. I understand the whole habit forming process, and it's very difficult to get started once you stop something. I'm rambling now. If you could see the links below, because I did set up my YouTube channel to have links automatically posted. I don't know, but please like, share, and subscribe. It helps support. I'm trying to get it to 1,000 views so that this thing could be really worth my time, especially now that things are boring. I would appreciate passing information to you and being compensated for it, but I can't do that until I get to 1,000 views. All right, peace.